at the Lamplight Lane RV Resort. Okay.
Yeah, we just got here yesterday. It's kind of a stormy weather. Took us a little bit to get here. We kind of passed it up. The owner was outside to flag us down and make sure that we got here because we took a wrong turn, but we were able to turn around and get here, and he directed us exactly where we needed to go. He came and knocked on our door last night because we had some terrible storms. We had a tornado that hit not too far from here.
Oh, yeah.
And everything's okay. So we're going to go out and check out the Fudge Factory, but we just want to come to the office and let one of the owners explain to you about their RV park here, and it's off of Route 66. So if you're by this way, by the Fudge Factory, I believe it's 11 miles.
I think so, right? About
Just
11?
about 11
Yeah.
miles. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to tell us a
Yeah,
little bit?
absolutely. My wife Barbara and I bought the RV park a little over 4 years ago, and it not only brought us a little further east from where we were out in Colorado, but it got us closer to the grandkids. And one of the things about the park that appealed to us was the fact that it's on Route 66, and we've had in part of the history. We feel like Route 66 is like a moving museum and timepiece of the country's history, and that really appealed to us. We've got 28 sites, and of course with all the COVID stuff that's happened, we've filled up right now with a lot of extended stays that are up here doing some work on the military base. But we do see an awful lot of Route 66 travelers in the course of a year, and also folks that are that are moving along I-44 on their way south in the winter, and their way east, and all that. But lots of history around here, a lot of history dating back even before the Civil War, and of course Route 66 is a big part of what brings people back and forth through Missouri. And we also are big fans of vintage campers, and
cool.
Our plans in the future involve upgrading and renovating several vintage campers and making several of those available to rent as cabins for folks who swing by on the Route 66.
That's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it'll be very awesome.
And you do have some Route 66 items here as well.
Yep.
Yeah.
We've got quite a bit of Route 66, just memorabilia, postcards, things like that. And we also, whenever we go to auctions or stuff, we find little Americana type stuff that Route 66 things that we like to grab and put on display, and some of the autographed guitar.
Oh, yeah. Along with the autographed guitar.
Yep. And all the autographs.
By Keith Urban, Rascal Flatts, and a few others.
And Alan Jackson, and Wayne Harbaugh, all kinds of folks.
How cool is that? Route 66. And so we're gonna look at the jail, tattoo parlor, and it looks like the world's largest belt buckle, and right beside us over here is a missile. I think that's the first missile in Uranus.
I think it's a big asteroid.
And we actually backed up into Uranus, into a parking spot. So
Enjoy.
we'll see what it's gonna all be like.
Look at here, look at here. Who is that? You got a visitor. Are you gonna dance in Uranus? Go baby, go baby. Woohoo! What you gonna do? Get
The world's largest belt buckle. And it says Uranus, Missouri, Funk Yard, Route 66. And that is certified as the largest belt buckle.
And again, we have a companion.
I got to breathe in our chin. Where you going, cowboy?
He's just following us. Look it, that's a hood. Walker, pockets.
Mexico, Bowie, Texas.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
We are here in the museum at Uranus, looking at all the freak stuff.
It's pretty freaky.
Pretty freaky in here. We just started, so we're gonna film some of this so we can.
Wow, I'm pretty freaky.
The freak is doing.
February 22nd, 1918,
I'm a little over 5 foot.
and weighed only 8.4 pounds. At that time, no one expected
He's
anything extraordinary. But already, in the age of 6 months,
up
he
there.
weighed 33 pounds, which is more than double the average. From this time on, he grew enormously
That is
fast.
crazy.
Growth was caused by a
I'm actually next to his Uranus.